Hello, Jailer Shark here with your Phuket weather update for the whole week. The first week of July, although we've missed 5 days, haven't we? Because it's the 6th of July today. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, then make sure you stay tuned. However, we need to be careful because obviously Jurassic World Rebirth has just come out in the cinemas and it was filmed in Phang Nga Bay, which means, and if you can keep an eye behind me, I'm going to make sure that no dinosaurs have sneaked out from Phang Nga Bay and come down to my garden. Because if they have, I'm going to be super scared. It's a bit like a pantomime. If you see one behind me, just shout, "It's behind you!" And then I'll turn around and see a dinosaur, I guess. But there's no such things as dinosaurs, that's for sure. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, the first week of July, then stay tuned and watch our amazing weather forecast with me, Jailer Shark. Thanks! And I promise I won't mention Jurassic World Rebirth at all. Oh no, it's my dog. It's not a dinosaur. Smelly dog. Mischief! Yip yip! Look, it's in Phang Nga Bay. There's a dinosaur tail. Is that Scarlett Johansson? Is she in that? She's hot, isn't she? Yes! Yes! Anyway, hello. Still looking for dinosaurs. That's because I'm still jumping on the old bandwagon of its Jurassic World Rebirth. Still out there, and we're still pushing it a lot for our SEO purposes. Look, see? It's filmed in Phang Nga Bay. And we do trips there, you can go and see it. You can go and see all the dinosaur locations with us. That's right, book a trip now and go and see all the Jurassic World Rebirth locations. Yeah, good plug. Anyway, let's look at the weather. So, we're going to start with this. This is our Windy app, so it's windy.com. And why do we look at Windy? Well, the wind dictates to us if it's going to be a little bit bumpy or not, and we can also see how quickly the weather will come in, because obviously the wind blows the clouds have the rain, and the rain gets you wet sometimes. However, at the moment, the weather's really good. Last week, it was lovely. I even got you probably can't see it, but I've got a farmer's tan from last week. That's right, I was out doing something which I can't talk about because I've signed up for the NBA. Swish! Anyway, I was stood outside for 2 days and I got a farmer's tan. That's because it was lovely weather. Anyway, green is windy. Blue is not so windy. Purple is no wind. And if it's yellow, then you've had lots of beans that day. Beans, beans, good for your heart. The more you eat them. That was a little rhyme you used to say as a kid growing up. Might be just an English thing. Anyway, let's look. Sunday mornings on the 6th of July. Happy July, everyone. By the way, first week of July. It's lovely, isn't it? It's my brother's birthday this month, 12th of July. Happy birthday, Chris. Can't say too much because he doesn't really go on to the old interweb, so he won't be seeing that. Anyway, look, green, windy on Sunday morning. This is obviously Phuket here, Phang Nga Bay here, which is always nicely protected, and Phi Phi down here. So it does look a little bit windy on Sunday morning, but nothing too much. Sunday afternoon, wind eases off, which is always nice. It's coming from the westy, southwesterly winds, which is all right. So it shouldn't be too bumpy going down to Phi Phi if you want to go to Coral Island, which is nice, or into Phang Nga Bay or Hong Krabi, which is lovely. I love Hong Krabi. I'm a big lover of Hong Krabi at the moment. I'm its biggest fan. If you've been on tours before and you've done Phi Phi, and you've done Phang Nga Bay, and you've done Coral, and maybe you've done Maiton, saw some horrible dolphins, then definitely go to Hong Krabi. It's very underrated, I feel. Anyway, that's Sunday. Sunday late afternoon. It's looking good. So that's Sunday. Well, that's actually Sunday evening. Let's look at Monday the 7th. Monday the 7th looks quite nice. Not too much wind at all. Nice and purple over here, which is Phang Nga Bay. Nothing too much going on down in Phi Phi. So Monday morning looks good. Monday afternoon looks absolutely fine. Looks really good, actually. So Monday looks a good day to go out. Let's look at Tuesday. Wowzers! Tuesday looks like it's going to be El Scorcho. Tuesday the 8th, loads of purple all down on Phi Phi and in Phang Nga Bay. Tuesday looks a great day to go out. So Tuesday the 8th. What am I doing Tuesday? Can't remember what I'm doing Tuesday. Anyway, Tuesday afternoon looks perfect as well. So Tuesday looks a great day to go out. Let's look at Wednesday the 9th. Once again, Wednesday the 9th looks really good. A little bit more wind down in Phi Phi, but nothing really much to worry about. Wednesday afternoon, once again, green over here, but that's miles away from us. Obviously, Phuket's here. But it looks good. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all look good. Now, Thursday, I am doing something which I can't talk about because, as I said, I've signed for the NBA. Let's look at the wind on, oh dear. Thursday morning looks a bit windy. Luckily, we're going to be, I can't tell you what we're doing or where we're going to be. But yeah, that's interesting. I should tell Sean about that one. Thursday afternoon, wowzers. Thursday afternoon, if you're going down to Phi Phi Thursday, I would consider going up to Phang Nga Bay instead because it might be a bit bumpy going back into Phi Phi on Thursday the 10th. Friday the 11th, not too bad. Once again, Phi Phi is a little in the green, so it will be a little bit bumpy going to Phi Phi. Once again, Phang Nga Bay, perfect. Phang Nga Bay this time of the year is one of the best places to go. And also, you can go and see the locations that Jurassic World Rebirth was filmed in. Yeah, good. We didn't work on this movie, by the way. Not at all. We didn't do anything. We do work on other movies, which I can't talk about, or some I can. We did Mother of the Bride. We did Aliens, which is coming out this summer. Should be out soon. We did episode 8, I believe we worked on. We did Meg 2, and what amazing film Meg 2 was. But Friday, sorry, going back to Friday. Friday looks okay, the 11th. Friday afternoon, wowzers. Anyway, down in Phi Phi might be a bit bumpy on Friday. Let's look at Saturday the 12th. Saturday 12th looks lovely. Wind's coming from the south, which means it won't be windy at all. It'll be very, very quiet. It'll be very, very nice. Saturday afternoon, look at that! Luckily, we're filming Saturday as well, so that's nice. I can't tell you where we're filming, but it does look good. And then next Sunday, Sunday the 13th, although it is, as you can tell from my tattoo, my favourite number 13. 13 looks really good as well. Look at this purple, looks like a Milky Way here. That's right, so it does look good. So it only looks like, what was it, Thursday and Friday look a little bit bumpy, but nothing too bad. So let's look at our standard weather forecast. I know this is really hard to see because it's white and the glare and all that sort of stuff. Just get over it. So Sunday here, 33 degrees, a chance of thunderstorms. 32 degrees on Monday. Once again, a little touch of rain in the morning, otherwise clouds, brightening up. 32. So Wednesday and Thursday does say breezy with rains at times, which does correspond with what we talked about here. You see Wednesday is windy. Oh, it's big yellow on Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday morning. And then, oh, come on, mouse. And then Thursday. So yeah, it does look like Wednesday and Thursday might be a few drops of sunshine falling from the sky. And then Friday, Saturday it does, but it does drop off a little bit. I never really trust the rain and hearing the percentage because I looked at this last week and it said rain all week and it hardly rained at all last week. That's why weather forecasters, I shouldn't really do this. It's pointless, isn't it, really? We only really care about the wind because that tells if it's bumpy or not. If it does rain, it only rains for a little while and it just goes through. Get a few squalls come through and then it clears up quite nicely. So I don't even know why I bothered doing this. John, why am I doing this? And when are you going to come back and do it?
Why are we still here?
Just ruin this weather forecast. Maybe I'm having a bit of a breakdown.
Suffer.
July,
Every
mid-year
night.
breakdown.
I can feel my leg.
Anyway, let's get back to this one, which is pointless again, which is our... Do you know what? I don't want to do this. We should just do the wind. Look, the wind. It's going to be windy on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday it starts to drop off. Well, it doesn't really. Friday it's still windy. And then Saturday and Sunday looks lovely. TMD radar, this is absolutely pointless because this is for right here, right now. You can see the green is rain, so there is some rain coming in. And it's all coming from the west, but this is right now, so it doesn't matter. So even if you watch this 5 minutes from now, it's going to change. You watch this in fact, you won't watch this 5 minutes from now because I'm recording this at home and I've still then got to send it over to our lovely editor, Miguel. Hi, Miguel. And then he's got to edit it and this won't come out till this afternoon. So it's all changed now anyway, so it's absolutely pointless. I should really just go back to watching the trailer for Jurassic Rebirth. What was it called? Jurassic World Rebirth? Yeah, official trailer. So you just get on with your own weather thing. Do you know what? If you really want to know what the weather's doing, you're in Phuket, just open the window and look up. That's the best thing to do, you know. Right, back to this one. It's all filmed in, a lot of it was filmed in Phang Nga Bay, you know. Scarlett Johansson, she's hot. Boat, water. Army man. Oh, Phang Nga Bay. Sun coming up, don't know where that is. Phang Nga Bay in the background. This is a floating dock, Scarlett Johansson. Guns. Don't use guns, kids. Phang Nga Bay. I think you've had enough of that anyway. Should we go? Anyway, okay. Good. Thanks for watching. One of the most random weather forecasts I've done. It's been a long week. Thanks. Bye.